Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we help you find the best tools and gadgets to capture life's moments. Today, we're diving into the world of film cameras with a comparison of the top 3 models on the market in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or just starting out, this video is for you. We'll cover the features, pros, cons, and customer reviews to help you make the best choice. Let's get started. Top 3. We have the Vintage Canon AE 135mm SLR camera. Priced at $251.40, this camera is a great option for those looking for a classic and reliable film camera. Let's break it down. The Canon AE-1 features a 35mm SLR design with electronically controlled automatic exposure and a focal plane shutter. It's compatible with Canon FD series lenses and offers a fixed eye-level pentaprism viewfinder. The camera is known for its durability and ease of use. Customers love its vintage appeal, reliable performance, and excellent image quality. However, some users noted that the camera can develop internal issues over time, such as spots in the viewfinder. Overall, the Canon AE-1 is a fantastic choice for those who appreciate vintage cameras and want a reliable tool for capturing high-quality images. It's user-friendly and offers great value for money. Top 2. We have the Canon EOS Rebel G 35mm SLR film camera. Priced at a similar range, this camera offers more modern features while still retaining the charm of film photography. Let's take a closer look. The Canon EOS Rebel G features a lightweight and compact design, making it easy to carry around. It includes a multi-basis AF sensor for 3 focusing points and offers various shooting modes like shutter speed priority AE, aperture priority AE, and program AE. Customers appreciate its ease of use, lightweight design, and compatibility with Canon EF mount lenses. However, some users mentioned that the camera can have dust and debris inside, which may affect image quality. If you're looking for a more modern film camera with advanced features, the Canon EOS Rebel G is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want a lightweight and versatile camera for everyday use. And now, our top pick for 2025, Top 1. The Fujifilm QuickSnap Flash 400 Disposable 35mm Camera. Priced at $350 for a 20-pack, this camera is perfect for those who want a fun and easy way to capture memories. Let's dive in. The Fujifilm QuickSnap Flash 400 is a disposable camera loaded with Superior XDRA 400 film, offering 27 exposures. It features a built-in 10-foot flash for clear pictures both indoors and outdoors. The camera is compact, easy to use, and perfect for any occasion. Customers love its simplicity, portability, and the vintage look of the photos. However, some users noted that the camera doesn't come with a hand strap as advertised, and the lens can get dirty, affecting image quality. If you're looking for a fun and easy way to capture memories without the hassle of maintaining a camera, the Fujifilm QuickSnap Flash 400 is the ultimate choice. It's perfect for events, parties, and everyday use. So, to recap. Number 3. The Canon AE-1 is a great choice for vintage camera enthusiasts who want a reliable and durable tool. Number 2. The Canon EOS Rebel G offers modern features in a lightweight and compact design, perfect for everyday use. Number 1. The Fujifilm QuickSnap Flash 400 is the top choice for those who want a fun, easy, and portable way to capture memories. No matter which one you choose, each of these cameras will help you capture stunning images and create lasting memories. My advice? Consider your budget, the features you need, and how you plan to use the camera. If you're just starting out, the Fujifilm QuickSnap Flash 400 is a fantastic option. But if you need more advanced features and better performance, the Canon AE-1 or EOS Rebel G are worth the investment. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for the latest prices and availability. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments which camera you're most excited about or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy shooting!